A very warm good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your online classes. Today, I am here with the new lesson of grammar, which is lesson number 16, prepositions. So, today we are going to know about prepositions. So, at first, we will know what is a preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. A preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Prepositions are the word which shows the relation between of a noun or a pronoun in a sentence, and preposition also used, you have to pay attention towards this, that preposition is always used before a noun or a pronoun. Preposition indicates where someone or something is. Example, Nikki is standing against a wall. Here against shows that where the Nikki is standing. Nikki is standing against the wall. So here against shows where someone or something is. And this is also known as preposition of place. Preposition also indicates when an event happens or happened. Example is Ricky swims on Saturday. Here on is a preposition which indicates that when the event is happening. Okay, and it is also known as preposition of time. Preposition also indicates direction in which someone or something comes or goes. Some example is Nikki is throwing a ball at them. Here at indicates the direction in which the ball is thrown. So here at is preposition and this is preposition of direction. Some important points you should know that prepositions are very important in a sentence. The words on, in, near, to, by, under, behind, of, from, at, between, over, and above are some examples of prepositions. I think you all are clear about prepositions, so let's move to the exercise part. The first question is, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. You may need to replace some words from the cloud. So here, this is a cloud. Some words are here. Words are before, from, of, between, up, by, to, at, on, in front of. All these words are prepositions and you have to use these words to fill the blanks accordingly, and I'm again repeating the words. Be attentive. The words are before, from, of, between, up, by, to, at, on, in front of. You can use these words multiple times according to the need of the sentence. Okay, now let's move to the sentences. The first sentence is, there is a nest dash the branch dash a tree. Here in the first sentence, the sentence is there is a nest where? On the branch of a tree. The next sentence is, why are you standing dash the television? Here we have to fill the blanks with suitable pronoun. The sentence is, why you are standing in front of the television. The next sentence is, I pray dash God dash going dash bed. Here in first sentence, I pray to God before going to bed. The next sentence is, please take out books dash your bag. So in this sentence, from where you will take out your books? From your bag. So the answer is, please take out books from your bag. Next sentence is Jack and Jill went where? Up hills. So the sentence is Jack and Jill went up hills. The next sentence is Tom is standing dash Jim and Jack. So where Tom is standing? Between Jim and Jack. The next sentence is we go dash church dash Sunday. So we go where? We go to church when? On Sunday. The sentence is we go to church on Sunday. This is it. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is choose the correct preposition and fill in the blanks. Here in this question you have to again fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. The sentences are first one, the Republic Day falls dash 26th January and the options are given at or on. Here you can see we are talking about the Republic Day and date is given with date. You always use on. So the answer is the Republic Day falls on 26th January. The next sentence is the airport is far away dash our area and options are given to or from. So here you can see we are talking about our area and words are far away. So with far away we will use from. So the answer is the airport is far away from our area. Next sentence is please switch dash the light. Options are given off and off. So here you can see we are talking about the switch. So with switch, whenever we talk about switch, whether it's switch off the light, switch off the fan, we will use which off? We will use off. The spelling of off is O-F-F, off, which means close. Okay, so the right answer is please switch off the light. The next sentence is stars twinkle dash. Options are on or in the sky dash. Options are in or at night. Here you can see we are talking about star twinkle. So whenever we talk about twinkling of stars, so stars always twinkles in the sky, and whenever we talk about night we always use at. So while we are talking about morning, evening, afternoon, we will use in the afternoon, in the evening, in the morning. But whenever we talk about night, we will use at night. Clear? So the next sentence is Gandhiji was born dash. Options are on or at 2nd October. Again you can see date is given and with date which preposition we will use? Yes, on. So the answer is Gandhiji was born on 2nd October. The next sentence is I go dash a walk daily dash the evening. For first blank, two options are given by or for. Here we are talking about walk. So we will use with walk which preposition? For. Because we go for a walk by foot. So here we are talking about walk, so we will use for. So the sentence is I go for a walk daily. Here the evening, so with evening what I told you in previous slide, with evening we will use in. And the answer is I go for a walk daily in the evening. The next sentence is this poem is written dash Keats. Options are given by or at. So here you can see by whom the poem is written. Yes, this poem is written by Keats. The next sentence is Manu brought a cell phone dash me. So here options are given for or at, and the sentence is Manu bought a cell phone for whom? For me. So the answer is Manu bought a cell phone for me. This is it for today. In our next video, we will continue with the reader portion. So till then, stay safe at home and enjoy your classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye and take care.